In fact, with Anna Hazare's movement gaining momentum, people from all walks of life are supporting Anna Hazare and his anti-corruption movement. Actors from both Bollywood and Tollywood are coming out in support of the Gandhian.
Anti-corruption is the want of the day.
People want to see a change in the country.
We all are against one thing, that is corruption.
Corruption is a very big issue in our country.
Not in support of corruption.
Anti-corruption.
Anti-corruption.
Stop this corruption.
The film fraternity speaking up, backing Anna's movement. Wearing their symbol of protest with pride. Chanting the mantra of no more corruption, no more bribes. From Bollywood,
करप्शन कोई भी देश में नहीं चाहता है और यदि कोई इंसान उसके लिए वकालत करता है कि करप्शन नहीं होना चाहिए तो उसको छूट है, अधिकार है उसको करने का.
Anti-corruption is the want of the day and desire of every Indian. Now it is an aspect of discussion on the streets. Now let's sit down and see how we can make best that it doesn't die out.
Let's not take names here, but I think we as the people of the world would like peace, harmony, and to live a world with lesser corruption.
अन्ना हजारे का जो एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो ये है कि उन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार का जो मुद्दा है जो कि जाहिर है बहुत अहमियत रखता है उसको सेंटर स्टेज पर वो लेकर आए हैं.
People want to take charge. They really want to, they're proving that it is a democracy of the people, for the people, by the people.
The Indian people, that's I'm going to say, India doesn't want to be apathetic anymore. They want to fight for their rights. They want to change. They want change.
to the Southern fraternity.
It is Indians on a hunger strike. Every Indian, for them and for their family and for their kids, for a better India, everybody's joined together. So it clearly shows everybody's wanting this happen. So we shouldn't let this momentum die.
The film industry is coming together as one, adding their voice to India's fight against corruption.
तो आज हम लोग अन्ना हजारे जी की आवाज बन के पूरे देश में हम जैसे यंग लोगों को आज खड़े होना चाहिए अपने लिए.
उनकी जो हिम्मत है उसको देखकर मैं बहुत ही दाद देना चाहती हूँ.
I just say that I do support him.
Anna Hazare Zindabad.
Bureau Report, Times Now.